How to download KakaoTalk on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. On your Android device, you need to locate Play Store and tap to launch Google Play Store. Make sure that you log into your Google Play Store account and navigate to search icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Select search bar at top of your screen and type in KakaoTalk. So you'll need to search for the official KakaoTalk Messenger application by checking the symbol in any of your browser. So tap on the install button at bottom of this application, and depending upon your storage you have on your Android phone and the internet connection speed, it will take a few time to download and install on your Android device. Once it has been downloaded and installed, it will appear on your home screen where you can easily launch KakaoTalk application and use it on your device. So that's it for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.